Okay. Properties of triangular. First problem. Important. If A is equal 13, B is equal 14, C is equal 15, show that capital R is equal 65 by 8, small r is equal 4, R1 is equal 21 by 2, R2 is equal 12, R3 is equal 14. So what is the given? Given that given that A value 13, B value 14 and C value 15. First you have to find out S value. So S is equal A plus B plus C divided by 2. Substitute the A value 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2. So 13 plus 14 plus 15 42. 42 by 2, that is the value 21. You cancellation 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2 1. So now find out delta. Delta is equal the square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c is equal. Substitute the value. S value 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. So 21 into 21 minus 13 8, 21 minus 14 7, 21 into 50 minus 15 6. So next, so you have to write 21, you write 7 3 ja 21. Next, 8 is write as 4 2 ja 8, 7 6 is write as 3 2 ja 6. So that is the value of squares of 2 square into 3 square into 7 square into 4. The root 4 value 2. So 2 into 3 into 7 into root 4 value 2. So 2 3 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42, 42 2 ja 84. So that is the value delta value. So delta value 84. Delta is equal 84. The first one, what is now find out? Find out small r. Small r is equal formula delta by s. Delta by s. Delta value 84 divided by s value 21. So cancellation 21 1 ja 21 4 ja. The second problem, R1 is equal delta by s minus a. So delta value 84, s value 21 minus 30, 84 by 8. So 4 2 ja 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 21 by 2. Next, third problem, R2 delta by s minus b. So the delta value 84, 21 minus 14, 84 by 7. That is the value 7 1 ja 7 12 ja 12. Fourth, R3 delta by S minus C. So delta value 84, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 15, 84 by 6, that is the value 14. 6 1 ja, 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja. The last final value, fifth one, capital R is equal, what is the formula? ABC by 4 delta formula. So A value 13, B value 14, C value 15 by 4 into delta value 84. So cancellation, 14 1 ja, 14 6 ja, 2 2 ja, no, wrong. Next 3, 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja. So final 13 into 5 by 4 into 2, 65 by 8. Okay, right. Next problem. So if R1 is equal to R2 is equal 3, R3 is equal 6. Even R1 value is equal to R2 value is equal to 3, R3 is equal to 6 and R is equal to 1. Prove that A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. Okay. So first we have to find out delta. So we know that delta is equal. We know that delta is equal square root of R into R1 into R2 into R3 is equal square root of 1 into 2 into 3 into 6. Substitute the values. So 6, 2 3 are 6, 6 6 are 36, that is the value 6. So delta value is 6. So next, so also the formula R is equal to formula actually delta by S. Substitute the R value. R value is 1, delta by S. Finally 1 into S. Cross multiplication, 1 into S, S is equal delta. So S is equal delta. What is the value? 6. S value and delta value is same. S value and delta value is same. First one, R1. So all values substitute. R1 value 2, R2 value 3, R3 is equal 6 and delta is equal also 6. Observe that. Next, the first one question. R1 is equal to formula delta by S minus A. Substituting R1 value. So R1 value is 2, delta value is 6. 6 minus A, cross multiplication. S value also 6. 6 minus A is equal 6. 6 minus A is equal 6 by 2. 6 minus A is equal to 3. Plus 6 is transposing right side, minus 6. Finally, minus A is equal to minus 3. Finally, both side negative is cancelled. A value is 3. That is the A value. Next, second one. R2 is equal delta by S minus B. So R2 value is 3, delta value is 6 minus 6B. 3 into cross multiplication. 6 minus B is equal 6. 6 minus B is equal 6 by 3. 6 minus B is equal 3 1 3 2 ja. plus 6 is transposing right side, minus 6. Minus b is equal minus 4. B is equal to 4. Next, third one. R3 is equal delta by S minus C. So R3 value, how much? 6. 6 by 6 minus cross multiplication. 6 into 6 minus C. 6 minus C equal to 6 by 6. 6 minus C. 6 1 1. Minus C equal to 1 minus 6. Minus C equal to minus 1. So finally C value 5. Both side negative cancel. So A value 3, B value 4, C value 5. Okay, right now. Next problem. So very important. In triangle ABC, R1 is equal to 8. So given R1 is equal to 8, R2 is equal to 12, R3 is equal to 24. Find ABC. Next, R is not given. So we know that find out also R also find out. So what is the relation formula? We know that 1 by R is equal 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So substitute the values 1 by 8, 1 by 12, 1 by 24. The LCM is equal 8, 12, 24 LCM 24. 8 3 ja 24, 12 2 ja 24, 8 1 ja 8. 3 plus 2 5, 6 by 24. So the final value 1 by R. 1 by R is equal 6 1 ja 6 4 ja 1 by 4. Finally R value is equal to 4. So next you have to find out R1. So next you first find delta. So, same formula. We know that delta is equal. Delta is equal square root of R into R1 into R2 into R3. Substitute the values. Square root of R value 4, 8, 12, 24. So simply write 4 into 8 is right as 4 into 8. 4 into 2 into, so as it is 12 is right as 12. Okay, don't worry. Same as it is 24 is right as 12 into 2. So simply write 2 square, 4 square, 12 square. Squares are cancelled. 2, 4, 2, 1. 2 4 ja 8. 8 into 12, 96. Delta value 96. Next find out A, B, C values. So 12 square. So next R1 is equal. Next R1 equal. Now find out R1 is equal delta by S minus A. So R1 value is 8. So delta value. Sorry, must find out delta value. Sorry, delta is find out. So you write relation formula. Now small r is equal formula delta by S. So R value is how much? R value 4, delta value 96 by S. So cross multiplication 4S equal to 96. S equal to 96 by 4. S equal to 24. 4 2 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 4 4 just 16. So S value also is 24. Next you have to find out ABC value. Next you have write delta is equal to uh, R1 is equal, sorry. R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. So R1 value is 8, delta value is 96, S value 24 minus A, cross multiplication. 8 into 24 minus A is equal to 96. 24 minus A is equal 96 by 8. 24 minus A is equal 8 1 ja 8, 8 16. Minus A is equal 12 minus 24. Minus A is equal minus 12. A is equal 12. So A is finished. Next B value. R2 is equal delta by S minus B. So R2 value is 12. Delta value 96. 24 minus B. 12 into 24 minus B is equal 96. 24 minus B is equal 96 by 12. 24 minus B is equal 1 ja 12 8 ja 96. Minus B is equal 8 minus 24. Minus B is equal 8 minus 24 value minus 16. So both side negative cancel. B value 16. Next R3 is equal delta by S minus C. So R3 value, how much? R3 value is 24. 96 by delta value 24 minus C. 24 into 24 minus C is equal 96. 24 minus C is equal 96 by 24. 24 1 ja 24 4 ja. 24 minus 6 equal to 4. Minus C is equal 4 minus 24. Minus C is equal minus 20. So both side is negative cancel. C is equal 20. A value 12, B value 16, C value 20. Okay, next one. So in triangle ABC, prove that R1 by BC plus R2 by CA plus R3 by AB is equal 1 by R minus 1. Okay, taking LHS value. So simply write in LHS value is equal R1 by BC, R2 by CA, R3 by AB. So LHS value simply write summation R1 by BC, R1 by BC. So summation R1 value formula, R1 formula sin A by 2, 4R sin A by 2, psi cos B by 2, cos C by 2, whole divided by BC. So b value according to sine rule, 2r sine b, 2r sine b into 2r sine c, sine c. So summation 4r sine a by cos b by 2 cos c by 2 whole divided by 2r into 2r, 4r square sine b sine c. Okay, right now next one. So careful observe. 4 4 cancel, small 1 r cancel, only r is coming. Sin b is form of sin 2a formula. Sin 2a is equal to sin a cos a. Half angle a is right as a by 2. Sin a 2 into a by 2. That is the value sin a. Sin a and a plus a by 2. Sin a 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So a plus b 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2. Next, b replace 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. So as is right, sin a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Okay, so to the cancellation, sin a by 2 is not cancelled, cos b by 2 cos c by 2 is cancelled. So remaining value sin a by 2 4 are not coming on 4 4 are 4 are sin b by 2 sin c by 2. So both side multiplication, both numerator and denominator is multiplication. Sin a by 2 whole divided by sin a by 2. The next line, sin square a by 2 by 4r sin a by 2. 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay, what is formula now? 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. That is the formula. R sin square a by 2 divided by, this is the formula now, small r is the constant number, so 1 by r is constant, summation sin square a by 2, sin square a by 2. Okay, next line right now. So 1 by r, summation is removed, sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 plus sin square c by 2. Right now, okay, 1 by 4 or sin square a by 2 is right as 1 minus cos square a by 2. Sin square a plus cos square a value 1. So sin square a is equal 1 minus cos square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 plus sin square c by 2. Next, 1 by r, 1 minus is common, cos square a by 2 minus sine square b by 2 plus sine square c by 2 1 by r 1 minus cos square a minus cos square b form. What is the formula now? Cos square a minus sine square b formula. Actually, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. So cos of a plus b, cos of a by 2 plus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2 plus sine square c by 2. So 1 minus cos of denominator is same, a plus b by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 plus sine square c by 2. So 1 minus a plus b plus c is equal to 180, a plus b is equal to 180 minus c, a plus b by 2 is equal to 180 minus c by 2, a plus b by 2 is equal to 180 by 2, 90 minus c by 2. Both side is taking cos of a plus b by 2 is equal cos of 90 minus c by 2. Cos 90 sin theta, sin c by 2. So you substitute 1 minus sin c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 plus sin square c by 2. Sin square c by 2. So I have common 1 minus sin c by 2 is common, cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. So write down next step. 1 by r 1 minus sin c by 2 first cos of a minus b minus sin c by 2, same process, a plus b plus c is equal to 180, c is equal to 180 minus of a plus b, both side divided by 2, c by 2, 180 by 2, 90 minus of a plus b by 2, both side taking sin c by 2, sin of 90 minus of a plus b by 2, sin 90 minus theta cos of a plus b by 2, sin c by 2. So sin more than cos. Cos of a minus b 1 by r 1 minus sin c by 2. Cos of a minus b formula, cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b form, so 2 sin a sin b, sin a sin b by 2 కాబట్టి by 2 by 2 వస్తుంది అంతే. ఓకే, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ దిస్ ఫార్ములా నోట్ చేసుకోండి. So 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2. So final 1 by r 1 minus of 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Next line. The next line is 1 by r 1 minus. So I will both side multiply 2r, 2 into both side numerator and denominator is multiplied 2r, both numerator and denominator. 2r sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. So 2r sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2 value small r. So 1 by r, 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 r by 2r, r by 2r. Next, so to do 4r sin a by 2 sin 4 అవుతుంది కదా, 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 value small r by 2r. So finally multiplication of 1 by r, 1 into 1 by r, 1 by r, r cancel 1 by 2r. This is the LHS equal to RHS. Okay, so 1 by r into 1 by r by 2r, r cancel 1 by 2r. Okay, write down.